In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hatch patterns in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Options dialog by typing Options and pressing Enter. This is where AutoCAD keeps settings that aren't always obvious. In the Options window, go to the Files tab. You'll see an entry labeled Support File Search Path. Expand that entry, then click Add to create a new location in the search path. Use Browse to navigate to the folder where your .pat files live. These .pat files are the standard hatch definition files AutoCAD uses, and adding their folder here tells AutoCAD where to find any custom patterns you want to use. When that folder is added to the list, click Apply and OK to save the change. Next, start the hatch command to actually place a pattern. You can type hatch or just H and press Enter, or click the hatch tool on the draw panel if you prefer the ribbon. Once the Hatch Creation tab appears, focus on the Type drop-down and select Custom. Choosing Custom tells AutoCAD you want to use a pattern that isn't one of the defaults. To load the specific pattern from your pat file, click the ellipses next to the pattern name. That opens the Hatch Pattern palette. On the left side of the palette, you'll see the list of pattern files that AutoCAD can read from the folders defined in the Support File search path. Locate the pat file you just added. When you select it, the individual patterns contained in that file will populate the right frame of the palette. Click the pattern you want from the right frame, then click OK to confirm your choice. With the pattern selected, pick your method for defining the hatched area. Use pick points to click inside closed regions of your drawing. AutoCAD will preview the hatch in that area. Take a moment to inspect the preview and adjust the scale if the pattern looks too big or too small. Smaller scale values tighten the pattern, while larger values spread it out. You can also change the rotation if the pattern needs to align with a particular orientation in the drawing. As a final tip, save your commonly used pat files in a dedicated folder and keep that folder in your Support File search path. That makes them easy to find and reuse across projects. That's all there is to it. Adding and using custom hatch patterns in AutoCAD is quick once your pat folder is added to the support paths and the pattern is selected from the Hatch Pattern palette.